Good morning, friends. Yes, we are back again. Today is the third day of our trip, and we are now heading towards southwest via Skullstone. Approximately, we have to drive 12 kilometers. First, we will reach Tirna Valley, and then we have to trek like 2.5 kilometers to Living Root Bridge and Double Decker Root Bridge, and so and so.
As you can see, the roads are narrow and rough, but we are enjoying this bumpy ride. But the person who's driving the car may have other opinion.
No, I also prefer driving this car as because we have got Brisa from Zoom car. And let me introduce myself. This is Ratul.
Hi, this is Debolina, and we are accompanied by two other friends. We have to travel another 2 hours to get to the root bridges, one of the most unique destinations of Meghalaya. And we are pretty much excited about it. So there have been a change of plans. We are skipping the Skull Stone as we have to trek nearly 3,500 steps down to visit the root bridges. As we are not extreme physically fit, so we have already assumed that it will take a hell lot of time for us to reach there. And also there are many places to see over there. Just look at the beautiful scenery, and it also a bit cloudy today, making the view just perfect. We are about to reach the point approximately after 4-5 kilometers from where we have to leave our car and trek for the root bridges. This place is also known as the Tirna Valley. Now there are a couple of other viewpoints along with the root bridges, nearly in the same spot which you will see in the pictures. This place is also known as Nongriat in Khashi language. Now I just want to clarify few things. We have to carry light luggages for easy trekking. Although there are porters available to carry your luggage, they will charge approximately 800 to 1000 rupees for the same. It will take a good amount of time, like 3 hours, to reach our destination. We will stay there overnight and then in the morning we have to trek this way up. So, good luck to us.
Now we are in the middle of the tropical forest of Meghalaya. If we walk along this way, we will reach the Living Root Bridge, and the double decker root bridge is on the left.
We cross this village, we notice some orange trees. Now, here the only way of transport is the 3,500 steps. Tough life. Okay, now this is the single route bridge. These are some astonishing man-made natural wonders. Inventive members of Khashi tribe have trained them to grow from the roots of ancient rubber trees, native to the northeast region. Finally, we have reached the double-decker route bridge, but we are already running late. It's 4 p.m., so we couldn't film any videos. Only still pictures are here. You can see that the water of the natural pool is crystal clear. People can bath here. The water is so clear that we can see the fishes. We found a nearby native cemetery. Well, we couldn't visit Rainbow Waterfalls as it's already dark, so we spent the evening in this place and then went back to our homestay.
This is the morning view from the roof of our homestay. Everything is green all around. We are staying at Sereni Homestay, the only standard place to stay over here. I should suggest you have to pre-book this place. So we had our breakfast and ready to back climbing 3500 steps, which is very much hectic.
We were unaware of this lake which our DJI Spark has captured. The view is amazing. You can see many burial grounds in our videos and pictures, as in this area most residents are converted Christians. Now, Noakhali Khai is the tallest plunge waterfall in India. Below the falls, there has formed a plunge pool with unusual green colored water. It has a local legend attached to it, which will be seen in the picture. We have to wait for 2 hours to see the falls clearly as the place is always shrouded with clouds. So, viewing this waterfall might be a roll of dice given to the fickle nature of it. On our visit, we enjoyed half an hour or so of fairly clear skies before the fog rolled up again.
At last, we are on the smooth track, feeling the thrill of night drive. We need to reach Maulilong ASAP because it's already late and dark, and we have to hunt for the homestay.
So, good night. Catch us in the next video.